What's up, Wanderers? Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about more epic EDC items that you can add to your carry. We're going to be talking about super small items today. We'll call it micro EDC. And we're going to start with this. This is the Kershaw Cinder. This fits on your key ring. It has a bottle opener. It has a quick release blade. It's got a little bit of a little small knob there that you can flip open with, and a very useful overall item and just fun to carry, hold, and play around with. All right, that is item number one. The second item we want to talk about is another super small, micro, super useful EDC item. This is the Gerber Shard. It is TSA compliant, and you have a lot of useful functions here. You have a pry bar. You can use this as a Phillips head driver, a flat head driver, a bottle opener, and also it has a sharp enough point here with the driver to open Amazon packages, etc. So a very useful little tool to keep on your key ring. Micro item, EDC item number 3. Now this one only goes for you folks with beards and mustaches. This is the best mustache comb in the business. This may be a niche item, but it's too good not to share. This is the Colonel Ichabod mustache comb from Amazon. Link for all these items, of course, in the video description. Super cheap, but the best comb going. The next item that I wanted to share today is the Dao Wallet. Some of you may be interested with, already aware of this wallet. Some of you might not. So I did want to share. This is a super slim minimalist wallet that can fit quite a few cards. It has a great look and feel, super cool red stitching. I'm not going to be specific about which model this is because there's like 7 or 8 different models from Dao at this point that you can get. And it's a product that is handmade designed in the USA, and at the end of the day, a very useful product to have. Fits a lot of cards. The storage is expandable to a huge degree because of this rubber strap that they have, and you can change out this strap for different colors, and there's lots of different finishes. A handy, super minimalist wallet. And the last epic EDC item that I wanted to cover today is the Gerber Splice. Now, I love multi-tools, but I don't like carrying 5 pounds of multi-tool weight in my pocket every day. So this is a super useful item for me to have because it has the tools that I most frequently need when I am out and about. Okay, what does it have? It has a small serrated blade. It has a small pocket knife. It has a Phillips head driver and a flathead driver and a smaller driver. It's got a bottle opener, but most importantly, it's got the feature that I use the most on these multi-tools, and which oftentimes is replaced by a pair of pliers, a spring-loaded pair of scissors. Now, this is very similar to the Leatherman Micra, which is another small tool about this size that also features spring-loaded scissors. I've owned both. I don't have a preference. They're both good. This one just happens to be cheaper. Currently very cheap on Amazon, but a really cool everyday item that fits on your key ring. So, the Gerber Splice, the Kershaw Cinder, the Gerber Shard, the Colonel Ichabod Mustache Comb, and the Dao Everyday Wallet. 5 more epic EDC items that you can consider adding to your carry today. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time, everyone.